Hello guys, welcome back to STEM Trainers. Now in the previous video of binomial expansion, we saw how to use the general term of binomial expansion, how to use the binomial theorem expansion, how to use factorials, NCR, and solve questions. We did two questions. One is 2 minus x squared by 4 power 6 and second one was 1 plus 2x power 7. Now what we are going to do today is what happens when there are two brackets instead of one, or maybe there might be two binomial expansions instead of one, or there might be one binomial expansion times some other bracket is there, some other terms are there. How to solve these kind of questions? Okay, so let's read the question first. In the expansion of this, find the coefficient, or the coefficient of x is 64, find the value of a. Okay, so when we will expand this, we will get some terms, right? We know there are 7 terms in this, we know there are 2 terms in this. So when you will multiply, you will get 14 terms. And then some terms might be clubbed together and then you might get less than 14 terms. Okay. Now there will be some x term in that expansion. So what we need to find out is what is the coefficient of x. And whatever we get, we will equate that to 64 and we will find the value of a. Now that's a logic to find the value of a. Okay. So how do you approach this is, first you have to see which terms you need to simplify. Now this 3 minus 5x is already in simplified form. So first let's simplify this 2 plus ax power 6. So let's first write binomial expansion of this. 2 plus ax power 6 will be nothing but 6c0 ax power 0 and then 2 power 6 minus 0 plus 6c1. Now keep on increasing, right? So ax power 1 keep on increasing by 1. This is 2 power 6 minus 1 plus. Now I don't have to write the next term because next term will contain x square and we need coefficient of x only. So just okay, dot dot. So it keeps on going. Now let's find this value. What is this? This is 1 1. This is 2 power 6, that is 64. So I will get 64 plus what is 6c1, that is 6, and 2 power 5, that is 32. So 32 times 6, that will give me 192. So second term is 192 ax plus dot dot. Some other terms are there. Okay, now let's write the whole expression. What we need is 3 minus 5x times 64 plus 192ax plus dot dot. Now we have to find this expansion, and in this expansion we are looking for x term only. Okay, now it's very easy to see this. So what will happen is, first we will multiply 3 with every term in the right bracket, in the second bracket. So when you multiply 3 with 64, you will not get any x term. We are looking for only x term in this question. So when 3 will multiply with this, so we will get one x term, that is, let's write this. So I'm writing here directly, coefficient of x will be equal to 3 times 192a. When 3 is multiplied by 192ax, not with 64, because 3 times 64 will not give you an x term. Okay, next one. So then this 5x will multiply. Obviously, then when 5x is multiplied with 64, that will give you only x term. Other terms will not give you x term. It will give you maybe x power 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, so coefficient of x is 3 times 192a and then minus 5. Now, don't forget this minus. So sometimes students forget this. So minus 5 times 64. So this will be my coefficient of x. And this is given as 64. So basically this is now our equation in A. We will simplify this and find the value of A. So let's simplify this. 3 times 192, that is 576A. And this will be 6 times 64. So that is nothing but 384. And it is giving us A as 2/3 or 2/3. So this is our answer. If A is 2/3, then coefficient of x will be 64. So this is how you can solve these questions. Now let's try quickly one more question in this. Find the coefficient of x cube in the expansion of this. Now again we have two brackets. One is 1 plus x by 2 power 10 and another one is little bit in simplified form. So let's first write the terms of 1 plus x by 2 power 10. And we need x cube. So it means we will have to write terms till x cube. So let's first expand this. So first term will be 10c0 x by 2 power 0 1 power 10 minus 0 plus. Next will be, now keep on increasing 1. So it will be 10c1 x by 2 power 1 and then 1 power 9 plus. Next will be 10c2 x by 2 power 2 1 power 8. Even if you don't want to write this one, you can just skip this one because 1 power 8, 7, 6, whatever it is going to give you 1 only. Okay, now the last term is 10c3 x by 2 power 3 and 1 power 7 plus some other terms are there which are irrelevant in this question. Okay, so let's simplify this and find this first. So this is nothing but the first term will be 1 1 1, that is 1 plus second term 10c1 is 10, x by 2 is x by 2, that is 1, so that is nothing but 5x plus 10c2 is 10 into 9 by 2, 45 by 4, that is 11.25 x square. Next term 10c3 is 10 9 8 over 6, so that is nothing but 15. So this term is 15x cube divided by 4 also. Okay, so plus dot dot, some other terms are also there. So now we have found all the values in ascending power and till x cube. So next step is we will write both the terms together now. So 3 plus 4x plus 2x square times 1 plus 5x plus 11.25 x square plus 15x cube plus some other terms which are irrelevant now. Okay, so first thing first, when you multiply this 3 with all these terms in second bracket, we are looking for only x cube terms. So obviously we will get x cube only when this 3 is multiplied by 15x cube, right? So that will be my 45x cube. So I am writing only x cube terms now. Okay, what else is there? So when this 4x, okay, how can I differentiate it? Okay, let me draw something else. Let me draw a point. 4x will get multiplied with this 11.25x square. Then only you will get x cube. So x into x square is x cube. So when this 4 is multiplied by 11.25, it will give us x cube. How else we can get x cube? When this 2x square gets multiplied by 5x. So x square into x will be x cube. So this is another one. So 2 times 5. So there will be 3 terms which have x cube. Now let's add all of them to give us the final x cube coefficient. So this is 45, 45 and 10, that is 100. So 100 x cube. So my answer for the last question is coefficient of x cube will be 100. So you have to be careful in this. I have seen some students writing all, multiplying them and writing all the terms. You don't have to do this. You have to think logically. We need x cube terms. So just think, when will you generate x cube when you are doing the multiplication? So just write that terms and that will quickly give you the correct answer. So that's it for this. We will see more in STEM trainers. Thank you.